Gear pump. This exploded view is mainly used to know how the parts of a gear pump are assembled with each other. A gear pump is the simplest type of rotary pump. The main parts of a gear pump are the body, bush bearing, gear wheel chamber, gears, pulley, and grub screw. Gear pumps are used in the hydraulic circuits of chemical plants. They are suitable for the circulation of fluids of low compressible characteristic such as water. Lubricating oils are circulated around the main parts of the machine tools through a gear pump. You are now looking at the complete exploded view of a gear pump.